You say you want a successful business, but the moment it starts working, you stir shit up. And today, we're gonna break that pattern for good. This might be the most important mindset shift that you're ever gonna have. One of our clients was doing 3% profit every month, and every time she grew, she spun out. Team drama, overthinking things, new plans. Does this sound familiar? She didn't need better systems or a better structure. She needed a new identity. Now, successful 15% profit months, every single month, calm days, zero burnout, loving her life. In this video, I'm going to show you why your nervous system is wired for chaos. The 3 hidden patterns that are keeping you trapped in this loop of restaurant fatigue, and how to rewire your leadership identity so you can finally grow without burning out. So there's a guy called Dr. Joe Dispenza, and he calls this an identity loop. You're not addicted to the goal. You're addicted to the emotions you've been living the longest. Fear, panic, chaos, out of control. Your nervous system has been chemically adapted to dysfunction. So when peace shows up, the peace and the success that you've been working so hard for, you reject it. It feels boring, unsafe. So you recreate the crisis because it feels like home. And this is a real reason behind you self-sabotage your success. Here's how that addiction shows up. You rebuild systems that are already working. You hire a coach and then totally ignore their advice. You keep starting fresh instead of sticking with the boring plan. You create pressure where none exists just to feel alive. You call it motivation, but it's actually withdrawal symptoms from chaos. You need to become the leader who thrives in calm. And here's how. Start your day with a nervous system regulation. So like a cold plunge, breath work, silence. Visualize your future self, grounded, wealthy, in control. Anchor your wins, not drama. And then when you get the urge to stir shit up, ask, what chaos am I trying to recreate here? Are you still thinking, nah, that's not me, I'm just overwhelmed? Why do you keep breaking the systems at work? Why do you feel uncomfortable when things are just easy? That's not just overwhelm. That's emotional addiction to dysfunction. And let's fix it. So this week, I want you to try a few things. Notice the moments you create chaos. Sit in the discomfort of calm. Write things down. I'm the kind of leader who thrives in clarity and structure. You don't need to hustle your way to peace. You just need to stop rejecting it. Let's rebuild the version of you that wins without the self-destruction.